What's up everybody? Today we're gonna be making a buffalo chicken Cobb salad. Now Cobb salad and buffalo chicken wings are two of my favorite foods, and we're gonna be sort of mashing them up together into one salad. Because it's a salad and we're eating it with a fork, I figured we wouldn't wanna be dealing with any bones. And so instead of wings, we're gonna be using some boneless, skinless thighs for our chicken. And so to get started, I've got a few boneless, skinless chicken thighs here. I'm just going to lightly season them with a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, and a little bit of paprika. Do that to both sides. Once my chicken thighs are seasoned, I'm just gonna grill them up on a cast iron pan. I'm just gonna put a little bit of avocado oil. Once my cast iron's hot, I'm going to put my chicken thighs in there, cook them for about 10 minutes per side. Once my chicken looks like it's done cooking, I'm just going to set it aside, let it cool down, and then just cut it up to prepare it for our salad. Now we're just going to assemble our salad. We're gonna do a bed of romaine, and so I've got some romaine lettuce that I've already washed up. I'm just gonna throw some romaine on the bottom. Then I'm gonna add some cherry tomatoes, some hard-boiled egg, again going along with the classic Cobb salad formula. Next is gonna be some fresh avocado I've just chopped up, some crumbled blue cheese. If you don't do dairy, you could of course leave this one out. And then because celery goes so well with chicken wings, I'm going to do a little bit of chopped celery here. Give it a little bit of extra crunch as well. On top of that, I'm going to add some of my chicken. Trying to keep this looking nice and pretty. And then on top of that, I'm going to add some of the Primal Kitchen ranch. Just give it a little bit of drizzle. And then bringing the whole thing home is our Primal Kitchen buffalo sauce. And voila, there you go. I don't always eat salad, but when I do, I make sure it's something that I actually want to eat, that I'm gonna enjoy eating. And if you want to pick up any of the Primal Kitchen products seeing this video, I really recommend the buffalo sauce. If you haven't tried it already, you can get them all at primalkitchen.com. If you use the code HELLO20, you can get 20% off your entire order. Just a little thank you for checking out our channel. Thank you for watching, and have a great rest of your day.